Okay, first you've got to view the animation window. I've just got the workspace open here. So view animation, you see down here the panel appears. Okay, so you've got to open up a project. Here's a project of an angel in the graveyard. And first of all, you set up the first view you want. So let's go close. Okay, then you add that view to the animation window down here. So you go to add plus sign. You see that this is the first view. Then what you do is you drag your window around. You can zoom out, rotate. I just want a view slightly further out, so I'm going to add that view. So I've got two views there. So if I want to see my view going from one point to the next, I press play. You see it goes rather slowly, so you need a good few points to speed it up, or you can change it in the settings to a longer time or a shorter time. I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so that's how it's moving. It's moving between the first view and the second view. So press the space bar to stop. Sorry, press the stop button to stop. Then I'm going to rotate around, view from above. I'm going to add that view to my first two views. Play. So it's all very smooth. And then it moves to the third point. Okay, so it's stopped. I'm going to move it to the other side of the gravestone. Add that view. So I've got 4 views now. Five views. So it should speed up. Going slightly faster. Now we want to make it faster than that. Go to the little arrows there and down to settings, and you see that the duration is 30 for 30 frames per second. If I change it to 300, press OK, you'll notice the whole thing slows down. So you want a nice smooth slow view. That's the way to do it. Press stop. And if you want to speed it up, change it down from 30 to say 15. And it's speeding through it. Now it's going a bit too fast for me, so I'm going to slow it back down again. Okay, let's see if I like that. Okay, so say I'm happy with it. Press save, this little icon here. Saving as an AVI. We'll call it Angie. Save. Happy with that. So what it does is it saves it and runs through the whole thing, saving it frame by frame until you get your AVI. And there's your end movie. Okay, so that's how I make an animation. Hope that helps.